Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from Tiger Trade or Tiger Brokers. So let's get straight into it. First thing, you need to open up your app, then head over here to the profile page. So at the bottom right corner you will see profile page. Now at the top here you will see account, rewards, events, vault and more. So click on more and then scroll down a little bit and you will see under the section funds you see here withdraw. So you can not deposit, so withdraw, the second one. And now here you have options how you can uh, withdraw. So right now we can't do that yet because we need to be verified, but when you have that options, just click here withdraw and you will be redirected step by step how you can what you will select, so bank or to your credit card and so on. You will give some few details and this will be it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.